What's up, YouTube? And I'm back with another banger, man. I'm gonna do a car review on an SUV I have. I have the SUV Hyundai Tucson.
Motherfucking, down.
But however you say it, I don't know. For the people in there that do know how to say it, drop it in the comments and tell me how to say it. But we finna show you this ride. Let's get it. Got the little one with me. She said she wanna drive.
Boy, if you don't.
Wait, come back in. Come here. Gotta make sure I got the key. So, we got the Tucson under there, just chilling. It's all red, more like a burgundy. And we about to test drive it. We're finna show you all the attributes of this vehicle. Let's get it. So we got the outside. It's kind of messy. About to go get it a wash. I think these are 225, 60. These are 17. Nice little grill action. Little cuts, the fake cuts for the speed. Yeah, shit, decent. We got trunk space. Tucson, that's what it's called, Tucson. All right, we're gonna take this bad boy on the ride. All right, we inside. It's kind of messy in here, but put the seat back. It's a nice room for you to sit in the front. I like the push to start, for sure. Gotta cut that off. We're gonna confirm that, even though we ain't about to use that. I like the speedometer in the middle, so you know how fast you're going. You can mute it right here, volume, who you wanna call, or tell Siri what she want to do, or whatever your phone connected to, you know. Got different modes. This right here change different modes of what you can see: tire pressure, driver assistant, door lights, convenience, right? Miles per hour. You can scroll down. It's an all-wheel drive. I love that about this car system. Off for lane assistance. I got if a car is in your blind spot, I got that on. Gotta keep that on. But you get the lane assistance on. Now it's lane departure. It's gonna let you know. Cruise control. I love cruise control. Especially you in a place where there's a lot of cops. You can set your cruise control on. And then you just set it by pressing it down. Reset. That's what the last time you put it on. You can cancel it. You got okay. The horn. It sounds like a little bitch, but it is what it is. One thing I like about this, the heated seats. They got heated seats. I don't like it, but my girl like it. Got the heat for the feet. And then I like this, the aux cord. You just hooked up straight to your phone, play your music. What else? The radio, you can hook up Bluetooth settings, voice recognition to let them know who voice it is, Bluetooth home screen, display, media, phone projection, Blue Link sound, radio media on here. You can change the tracks on here. You got home, phone setups. I guess you can just swipe. Then you got a date and time. That date is way off. It is not 4:23 a.m. We got the day and time. I already said that. Language, keyboard, screensaver, advanced. Let's see what advanced is. Could get non-link blue. Blue link. Phone projection, Sirius XM data. I said Sirius. Alright, that custom button. I guess it's just for like Siri. What's that? System Apple. Stuff like that. Storage. Dang, I ain't got no storage on here. So that's about it. All menus. Got the phone, Blue Link, driving info, Sirius XM data, quick guide, voice and commands, radio. You got the music, aux cord, setup, Android Auto, and we got Apple, Team Apple over here, and voice memo. Go down drive. Another thing, you got sport mode. But we ain't gonna do that right now. Let's just take off. It's a beautiful day today. It's what, 65 degrees today? A nice little day. So I might as well do a review on this SUV today. It's about to start looking up for Michigan, I guess you could say. I'm about to drive until she fall asleep. Cause she is tired. And when she gets tired, she just be doing stuff to stay up. Shit is crazy, bro. If you have kids, you just be prepared to be prepared. Be prepared to have patience. Because patience is a virtue. She's young
so
and
hopefully
hungry.
people who are hearing this are taking it the right way, can say, I can run a mile. It ain't about running 205 fucking miles, doing 4,000, being in the city. It ain't about all that shit. Shit doesn't matter. I want you to see how fucking far you can go, because we all come from that shit. That's why I have to be so authentic and so real about my own insecurities, my own faults, just being a fucked up person. I'm not the best at anything. I'm not gifted. I'm just driven.
About to go to Jack's, baby. About to get this thing washed. That boy dead. I ain't never seen it dead like this. It's 4:30. I'll get right back to y'all. More niggas like him start speeding in here and shit.
What the fuck?
I'm like, bro, you gonna get a car wash? Calm down, my boy. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, I'm gonna start getting more contact with different kind of cars. Get more contact. I just got my terabyte, so I can save my stuff to this. It's that plug and play. That's crazy. And they didn't even say it was coming. It just came.
That's what she said. Michael.
What the fuck?
Gotta get this boy clean. It was looking kind of dirty. I'm surprised there was nobody in this bitch. Man, I'm surprised nobody was in this car wash. Look. about to get it washed. I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm gonna give y'all some views. Here goes some drone views. Let's get it.
What the phallic?
Dylan got it bumping.
So now I'm gonna show you the inside. Y'all seen the inside a little bit already, but it's nice room in this SUV. And then the back, that door. It's nice foot room. That's a foot room. Give me some comparisons. I'm 6 foot, 270 pounds. I can fit in here, you feel me? I'm not tight or nothing. This is an SUV and I am a big nigga. So, the room is not that small. It's nice back here. I've sat back here since I got the car, the SUV. There's a nice room back here. And then, got the trunk room. Nice front room. Put your groceries back here. Make it fit maybe like 4 luggages. Like if you're going out of town, taking a flight, you put like 4 luggages back here. But nice little charge for you. You can charge your phone back here. All of the ones up front is taken. I was gonna say 2, but 1. And you can put the seats down. If you got a lot of stuff, the button must be in the front. Or it might be right here. One of those latches to hold something. So if you want to hold something big that's got your trunk open, you can latch it up on that. Nice lights so you can see. This right here came off. That's plastic. Just push that back in. Nice little area back here. But that's about it, y'all. That was the Hyundai Tucson. Tucson. Whatever that is. Comment below and tell me how you say that. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Just a little review on the car. Nice, decent car. But I'm gonna get at y'all at the next one. Next review gonna be a banger, so y'all get ready to watch that one. Have your post notifications on. Turn that bell on. That's how you get the post notification that I drop. It's just gonna be a banger. All right, y'all, I'm out.